A lot of my favorite groups that I grew up listening to sing, I grew up with Herman's Hermits. Peter Noone still looks the same as he did. Worked with the Beach Boys and worked with the Diamonds and Crests, and I'm not really that old, but I did work with those people. But one of my favorite groups of all time that I got to work with in this next song, that was the Mighty Mighty Temptations, and it goes like this. Sunshine, blue skies, please go away. My girl's found another, and she's gone away. With her went my future. My life is filled with gloom. So day after day, I stay locked up in my room. I know to you, it might sound strange, but I wish it would rain. I wish that it would rain. I know so badly, I wanna go outside. Everyone knows that a man ain't supposed to cry. Listen, but I gotta cry sometime, 'cause crying is all the pain. People, this hurt I feel inside, no never explain. I just wish it would rain. I wish that it would rain. Rain, 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 rain. I wish that it would rain. Oh, let it rain. Rain down on me. Oh, let it rain. Tear-stained face pressed against the window pane. My eyes search the sky desperately for rain. You know, raindrops will hide my teardrops, and no one will ever know that I've been crying. Yeah, whenever I go outside to the world outside my tears, I refuse to explain. I just wish it would rain. Rain, 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 rain. Let it rain, baby. Let it rain. Let it rain. I got tears in my eyes, let it fall from the sky. Just let it rain. I wanna listen to it rain. Oh yeah, I just wish it would rain.